Ascent tabletop laser welders with CCTV, CCD camera monitoring systems are essential tools in the sign-making industry. They allow you to accurately fuse 3D channel letter faces or bases to their side returns without distorting thin metal coils. Working at tight angles and tiny letter strokes requires a real-time CCTV monitor to ensure flawless alignment of your focal laser spot. When choosing a tabletop welder for channel letters, your primary decision will be between YAG lasers, which struggle with aluminum, and newer QCW lasers, which offer high peak power, continuous/pulsed flexibility, and excel with aluminum. Top tabletop laser welders for channel letters. Specialized advertising and signage welders. These systems feature flat glass working surfaces to prevent scratching glossy metal coils, micro-positioning rods, and a dedicated CCD monitor for safely aligning narrow letter corners. Ascent QCW Laser Welder Tabletop/Handheld Hybrid. This innovative hybrid system easily converts between a dedicated tabletop jig welder and a handheld gun. It utilizes quasi-continuous wave (QCW) fiber technology, enabling a 300 W beam to deliver pulse peaks equivalent to those of a 3000 W continuous laser. It is highly optimized for narrow channel letter strokes, processing aluminum up to 0.063 inches and stainless steel up to 0.040 inches with a minimized heat-affected zone that protects painted coils. Feature/specification: QCW fiber tabletop. Laser source type, fiber quasi-continuous wave, 1080 nanometers. Material specialty, superior for highly reflective metals like aluminum. Heat-affected zone, extremely minimized, peak power pulses leave zero thermal deformation. CCTV/alignment. High-precision CCD touchscreen system with red beam alignment. Skills: achieving optimal results with QCW laser welding can be mastered quickly. The machines are supplied with all necessary accessories, including leather gloves and safety glasses. Laser-certified partitions and a smoke vacuum collector can be purchased separately from Ascent. For more information, visit ascentequipment.com or email dov@ascentge.com.